This is our lesson number 6 of linear equations and inequalities. Here we are going to solve two different kinds of linear equations. Before going to start, I will explain to you that some equations that contain the variables either x, y or z, whatever, may appear to be linear but in actually are not linear. See, this is the one variable, this is the variable. We have to find out the value of x. This equation may appear that this is linear, but this is not the linear equation. There are two kinds of equations which I will show you one by one. So this is the first kind, right? I will explain to you, I will solve this question, that at the end I will explain to you why this is not linear. So first of all, you have to multiply. I will write down the question one more time here. Minus 3 into 2x plus 1, which is equal to 5 minus 4x. So you have to multiply this parenthesis with 2. This is called the distributivity. So 2x minus 2 4 times 8, then negative 6x negative 3, which is equal to 5 negative 4x. So here we will use the transpose property, right? We will bring all these variables on one side of the equation, constant on the other side of the equation. So see, this 2x and this negative 6 is already here. So there is no need to change the sign of these two terms. Only this negative 4x, which is on the right hand side, you have to bring this on the left hand side. So as I have told you, when you will bring, this is called the transpose, and the sign will change. Now it is positive 4x. So on the right hand side we have only 5 left, because negative 4x is now here. So come here, this is negative 8 constant and minus 3 as well. So we have to take both this to the other side of the equation, which is called transpose. When negative 8 will go to the right hand side, the sign will change. Same thing for negative 3, it will be positive 3. So this is see 2x positive, no sign, it means positive. This is positive, so this will be 6x positive, negative 6x, which is equal to, this is equal to 16, 11, and this is 16. So see, this is positive 6x, this is negative 6x. Answer is 0. We do not have any x left here. So 0 is equal to 6. It means we could not find out the value of x. That is why this equation is not linear. This is what you conclude here. This is impossible. 0 is not equal to 16. Sorry, this is 16. What this means is that no x can satisfy the original equation. See, no, what you will put here, this is not the value of x. 0 is equal to 16. It means that no x can satisfy the original equation. In fact, because the equation cannot be expressed in the form of, which we have discussed in lesson number 1, ax. Linear equation should be like this. Ax, this is constant, is equal to b. We have b, but we do not have anything here, constant and variable x. So this is not linear equation. Right? Another kind of equation, it seems that we can find out the value of x. But here I am going to show you how to solve this question, and at the end we have to make the decision whether it is linear or not, and if not, so what we conclude. When we will do the exercise, if you will find out the answer 0 is equal to 16, if suppose there is no x, no variable, it means that no x can satisfy. You have to write down no x, whatever the name of the variable, satisfy the original equation. That is why it is not linear. But see, in this case, same thing, we have to multiply. This is called the distributivity. 2x negative 8 minus 6x minus 3, 1 time 3 equal to minus 11 minus 4x. So same thing, x, this 2x is already on the left hand side, negative 6x is already here. We do not change the sign. Only this negative 4x you have to bring on the other side, so the sign will change, it will be positive. So on the right hand side we have only negative 11 now. These two are constant. We have to take to the other side of the equation, which is called the transpose. The sign will change. This is negative 8, it will be positive 8. Negative 3, positive 3. So see again, this is 6x with the positive, 6x with the negative. Here is negative 11 with positive and sorry, negative 11 with the negative sign, and then this is positive. So this is 0, 6x with a positive, 6x negative. Same thing, negative 11 and positive 11, 0. So see, this is the difference. In this, it is not linear because we cannot find out the value of x. 0 is equal to 16. In the next, here is 0 is equal to 0. What this means is that every real value of x can satisfy the original equation. If we will put 1 here, it will be 0, 0, right? Whatever, if you will put minus 2 here, so for every real value of x satisfy the original equations, because the equation cannot be expressed in the form of same thing, ax is equal to b. We do not have anything ax and b, so it means it is not linear. And if you will get both 0 and 0 on both sides, this is called the identity, right? Identity. It is satisfied by all real numbers. So this is the difference between these two. Here you have to write down that x, no x can satisfy the original equation. That is why it is not the linear equation, and we cannot write down this in the form of ax is equal to b. And if you have 0, 0, it means that for every real value of x satisfy the original equation, and this is called the identity. I hope this is clear, but if any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.